Oh, I just wanna take it
First time! Papunta na ng US.
Baby, I'll take it there, take it there. Baby, I'll take you there, yeah. Oh, tell me how to do it.
Hey! Christmas!
Welcome to Los Angeles.
Iba!
Shout it out, yeah. And if you
Courtesy of MLMIA. Etong Pinoy na to pupunta sa LA Disneyland. Ayoko na! No, pagsakay sa roller coaster, di mo magawa. Pagyaman pa kaya? Tama eh. Justin Bieber, ikaw ba yan? Las Vegas! Hindi na rin mga video kamera. Kaya po ito, kaya po.
get this kind of rush, every day,
Oo, yun na yun.
Here we're to Aria Hotel where the rich people are.
Ang sarap ng feeling, sana kasama ka, kasama ka, kasama ka!
Thank you, thank you. Ang mabait ninyo, thank you.
First night in Vegas. Ito po ang treat namin sa kanila. Buffet dinner.
Sa Pilipinas, mas maraming tao sa pagkain. Dito, sobrang daming pagkain kaysa tao.
head to your feet. Come on, come over here.
Ito lang ako nakakita ng ganitong haba.
Oh, I just wanna show you off to all of my friends. Making them drool.
Style to reach your famous name global.
Mine tonight, mine tonight. Baby, be mine tonight.
I'm so excited. This is my first time to jump.
I'm so excited.
We shouldn't even think about tomorrow. Sweet memories will last a long, long time. We'll have a good time, baby, don't you worry. And if we're still playing around, boy, that's just fine. Let's get excited. We just can't hide it. No, no, no. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
Believe and you too shall accomplish your dreams.
Ikaw, meron ka na nito? Name global lang yan!
Grabe po!
Angel!
Ang lupit ni Chris Angel.
Kung ano yung nasa TV, yun yung nakita namin live! Grabe! Mind break! Magic!
Magic talaga.
Mang Kanor pa rin ako.
Excited na ako na training. Ay, grabe.
Ay, grabe.
We're in Appleton, Wisconsin.
But on Broadway, and we did it always.
It's cold out here, aren't they?
Thing I record to. Yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down.
Training day. Exciting.
Suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town.
The busiest machine that we have here at Nature's Way is our encapsulation machine that runs the C24/7 for Global.
And these two instruments combined cost us $250,000.
Ito na.
Less than 6 minutes, it's completely disintegrated. Harley Davidson days are happy days. Oh, yeah.
Grabe, paparosahan ka talaga dito sa Amerika.
This is how we eat here. Legendary Stadium.
You like Taguig?
Yes, of course. It's American side.
Grabe, hindi ko alam kung may culture meron sila rito. Grabe. Ako na magsabi sa'yo, iba dito. Go back, go! Go back, go!
Second and 15 from the 47.
We're going to Universal Studios! Okay, gising na. Matutulog na tayo. Matutulog. Sulit yung pagbebenta natin ng mga manok.
Yeah, we're gonna wear this for the 3D show. King Kong live.
Autobots, transform and roll out!
Eh di sana mas masaya kung nandito ka, di ba? Yeah!